Hi everybody, welcome to another Tuesday tip, and I am Tricia, if you don't know me. Today we are going to talk about cleaning your visual aids kits. So, if you have the newer model of the visual aids kits, which are the ones that are made out of silicone, you know that they kind of stick to the ground, right, when they're fresh and new and all nice and everything, but the more we use them, the less they stick. And of course, we are now living in a world of COVID, and we do need to be really diligent about cleaning everything. So what we recommend doing, it's super simple, just run them under water. You can run them under soap and water if you want to, but just make sure you're washing the soap off really good. And then after you wash them, just pat them dry with a lintless towel or a paper towel or anything like that, and just pat it dry, and you will notice that it is all new and fresh again for you to have fun and use in your class. Alrighty everybody, bye!